Hi students, this is Syed and today we are going to discuss about the railway transport social science grade 5.
We all love to travel, to explore for variety of reasons. Did you know thousands of years ago people walked or rode on animals to go from one place to another in search of food and shelter? After the wheel was invented, they started traveling for different reasons. Today we have vehicles that can move on land, air and water. They help us to travel from one place to another. After James Watt invented the steam engine, it was used in trains. This helped many people to travel to the long distances together in one vehicle. The steam engines run with the steam that comes from the burning coal. Many coaches were fixed to a steam engine to make it into a train. These trains were called as the steam locomotive trains. They were used for a very long time. Later, the steam engine was replaced by the diesel engine and then electric engine. We still use steam engines in many places even today. Today, many countries have super fast trains that are called as bullet trains. They move at a very high speed. Some well-known bullet trains are the high-speed trains in Japan. The Britishers started the railways in India in 1853. They laid railway tracks across the country to connect places. Today in India, the trains run mostly on diesel and electricity. Most places in India are connected by the trains. The trains help us to move from one place to another. The metro or local trains help people to travel within a city. Many people use trains to go to work, college or to go to shopping. These trains run on electricity and can carry a lot of people together. Trains also help us to carry things from one place to another. Perhaps in India, the trains are used to travel because it is cheaper than traveling by aeroplanes.
As we have discussed about the railway transport in India, I hope you all have understood. There are some questions that you are asked to answer. What are bullet trains? Why do we have such a large train connections in India? And write any 5 advantages of railways.